Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this on a color that is white, but it is a 254 white. True white in RGB is 255. I made a 254 color, and this is on a piece of alder that has been finished, and the picture does it no justice. He actually said it kind of looked like a calf skill. It's just barely engraving it, so it's taking the finish off. But in the other video, I completely disassembled the wrench and redid it. And the gentleman I sent the video to said he just changed the color. And I thought, well, that's all we need to do is just change the color. So what we're going to do, we're going to go up to edit. If we look, that's 254. That's 254. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to edit and find and replace and find object. And we're going to edit query. And we're going to come up in uniform fill, and I'm going to double click on the text, and I'm going to get this color, and I'm going to get my eyedropper, and I'm going to take a sample of that 254 and say okay, find all, and then just take and write, because it's all selected. And if you look down here, it's 255, 254. As soon as I do this, it changes all the colors to 254. So if we click on here, it's 255. So if we take the color eyedropper, 255, 255, 255, 250, that actually says gray, but it's a 255 is the white. I don't know why that's saying. So maybe it didn't find that. That's a gray 255, so we need to watch out there, and we need to change that to white. And it didn't change anything, thankfully. And we're going to take our color eyedropper. So now we have white, and I would, see, there's another one. I guess because it was actually a different color, Corel didn't find it. So let's find that gray. I don't know where it was. Huh. So that should not engrave. See, there's a green 0. And that's not even actually. See, there's an RGB black. But he said it worked. So instead of disassembling the wrench, I'm pretty sure we got rid of all the white. Made it all 255. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.